Hello everyone, let me show you what the new extension from your private proxy can do for you to hide your IP address. So let's add a proxy. You don't need an account or anything, you can just add a proxy. As you can see, this is my IPv6 IP address. So let's activate the new proxy. It will ask you for your username and your password. Okay, so as you can see, the language of the browser and the IP address are the same because I have the US language on my browser. The IP address time zone and your browser time zone is different, so you will have to activate the headers, faking. Once you do that, let's reload the page. As you can see, they are matching, all of them, right? This not only changes the headers, it changes the Windows location object. You can change the user agent if you want. You have to deactivate the headers first. So change user agent. You can go to Windows, let's say, Firefox. We change the user agent. We activate faking again, and you will see that the macOS will change from here. Okay, let's resend the headers. See, you're on Windows now. Windows, right? The language, the time zone, okay? That is changed. Everything is changed. So deactivate the headers, change the agent back. Let's have another test. Activate the headers. Reset, show headers, back to my original, right? Let's remove all proxies. It will deactivate the proxies. You don't have to deactivate them manually. You can remove them, all right? Let's refresh, back to our original IP, okay? As you can see, my IP address and the time zone, it's matching now because this is where I am, right? And the language is not matching because my browser language, as I told you before, is US. So let's see what you can do with an account. Let's log in. Your proxies have been inserted. Alright, I have the list of proxies. I can search for proxies if I want. So 38, it shows me only the proxies with 38, right? What I have in the list. If I want, I can search for the port also. 31265, and I have only the ones from here. Okay, next page, previous page. This is usual. You can jump to page also, jump to page 2, right? The usual things that you can do with the search and everything. Okay, so now you can activate another IP address. Let's activate this one. This is from London. Okay, as you can see, no headers are matching, so we'll have to activate the headers. Refresh the page. Everything is matching now. So it changes everything, right? And you can change the user agent. You can change everything from here. Once you're logged in, you can apply for a free trial. You can reload your proxy list if you want. If I remove all the proxies, right? I can remove them, reload them from the account. They are inserted, right? And normally you have everything. You have the login, you have the create account, you have the forgot password if you want. Refresh. As you can see, everything changed back to normal as I logged out, right? Let's log back in. By the way, you can only use HTTPS proxies with this one, so yeah. Because SOX doesn't provide username and password. And by the way, once you have an account, even if you don't have proxies with us, you will be able to add proxies from file. And this can be username and password to... As you can see, once I have logged in, it didn't ask me for the username and password because it's already stored in your account, the username and password, and yeah, no need to input it. So that's it about this extension. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.